Are you building APIs the right way, or are you accidentally leaving performance and flexibility on the table? In the next 5 minutes, you'll know exactly which API architecture, REST, GraphQL, or gRPC, is the perfect fit for your next project. Let's start with the one you probably already know, REST. Representational state transfer has been the undisputed king of web APIs for years. Think of REST like a massive, well-organized library. Each book or resource has a specific address or URL. You use standard verbs like get to read a book, post to add a new one, and delete to remove it. It's predictable, stateless, and built on the foundation of the web, HTTP. The biggest advantage of REST? It's simple, massively adopted, and easy to understand. Almost any developer can jump into a REST API and get started immediately. But that simplicity has a cost. Let's say your app's home screen needs a user's name, their last 3 posts, and their followers. With REST, that's often 3 separate requests to 3 different endpoints, /user, /posts, and /followers. This is called underfetching. Or the /user endpoint might return a huge object with name, address, email, and purchase history when all you needed was the name. That's overfetching. These extra round trips and wasted data can make mobile applications feel sluggish. This is the exact problem that GraphQL was designed to solve. GraphQL is a query language for your API. Instead of multiple endpoints, you typically have just one. The client sends a single, precise query describing exactly the data it needs. No more, no less. It's like having a personal shopper instead of wandering the entire library. This completely eliminates overfetching and underfetching. Your app gets everything it needs in a single request, making it faster and more efficient. It's also strongly typed. The schema acts as a contract between the client and server, which helps prevent bugs and enables powerful developer tools. But GraphQL has its own challenges. The logic moves from the server's endpoints to a single, more complex resolver layer. This can be harder to set up and manage. Caching is also more complex. With REST, you can cache responses at the HTTP level based on the URL. With GraphQL, every query can be different, requiring more sophisticated caching strategies. So if REST is the simple library and GraphQL is the personal shopper, what is our third contender? gRPC. Think of gRPC not as a library, but as a network of high-speed pneumatic tubes designed for maximum performance, typically between your own internal services. Originally developed by Google, gRPC uses protocol buffers or protobuf to serialize data. Instead of text like JSON, it sends data in a compact binary format. This makes it incredibly fast and efficient, perfect for communication between microservices where every millisecond counts. It's built on HTTP/2, which unlocks powerful features. One of those features is bi-directional streaming. The client and server can send a continuous stream of messages to each other over a single connection. The main drawback? gRPC has limited native browser support. You typically need a proxy layer to make it work with web frontends, adding complexity. Also, because the data is binary, it isn't human-readable. Simple debugging with a tool like Postman or your browser's dev tools is much harder than with REST's JSON. So, how do you choose? It all comes down to the use case. Let's put them side by side. Choose REST when you need simplicity, standard conventions, and a public-facing API that's easy for anyone to consume. It's the reliable default. Choose GraphQL when you have complex data requirements, especially for mobile or single-page applications, and you want to empower front-end teams to fetch data flexibly. And choose gRPC when you need maximum performance for internal polyglot microservice communication, and you can benefit from features like streaming. The truth is, they aren't mutually exclusive. Many large systems use a combination. gRPC for internal services, with a GraphQL or REST API gateway facing the public. To recap, REST for simplicity, GraphQL for flexibility, and gRPC for raw performance. Understanding the trade-offs is the key to great API design. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more content on software architecture, and comment below with which API you're using in your current project.